Okay, what's up guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at this Sofirn light. This is a C8T throw light. It's one of Sofirn's newest additions. The people at Sofirn sent this out to me to show you guys. And I do like, I am, no BS guys, I am liking the Sofirn flashlights. Let's take a look at this. This has comes with a charging cradle. It does come with the 18650 battery. Comes with the cable, micro USB. Do not eat. The light here. It's a little foam at the bottom. Wow, this is nice. This is big. Look at that. I guess the biggest thing is the head on it. So I'm assuming the battery would be inside. Very nice machining on this for sure. Okay, we got the battery inside and we got this cardboard to keep it fresh. This is a 3000 milliamp battery. These are good batteries. Okay, let's take a look at it here. This is XPL HI LED, whatever that means, but it sounds pretty good. So the LED is pretty deep down in there. It's about down there. So it has a really big lens on it. And I guess that's why it's called a throw light, because it does throw the light pretty far. It's kind of like a hot spot. It's not so much, tapered light. It's more of a hot spot right there. Has a tactical style head here. Has a tail switch here. That's protected. And the only knock that I'm going to give this so far is I wish it did have some kind of battery indicator light somewhere. Now, typically on their tail switch lights, they don't typically put that, but if they could incorporate that somehow, that would be nice. But the battery does last a long time depending on what setting you have it. So I think we are in group 1. This has different groups. So group 1, let me just kind of toggle through. That has a low 55 lumens, medium 450 lumens, and high 1310 lumens. And then Group 2 has a moonlight, which is 1 lumen. It has a low 55 lumen, medium 450 lumens, and high 1310 lumens. And it has a SOS 1050 lumens. But it does have memory from the last setting you used. So if you had it on high there and you go back, a couple seconds later, it's still going to have it on high until you toggle through the settings. You just kind of lightly press the button, which is nice. Okay, to toggle through a different group of lights, right now I am in group 1, so we want to go, let's say for instance we want to go in group 2, we triple tap this button, and right now we're in group 2 of lights, so let me just switch through the lightings there. Okay, we are in SOS mode. Okay, double tap again. That is moonlight. You see how low that is, 1 lumen, is what they say. Pretty nice if you want to just need a little light and you don't want to disturb anyone or hunting or whatever. Be real stealth. Next level up, which I guess would be low, medium, high, and SOS. And so on and so forth. And it does have a memory to the last setting you had it, as you see there. And it has a hidden strobe mode, which you would just double tap that, but I'm going to spare you that. One other thing, let's just take a look at this O-ring here. It is nicely machined. There's an O-ring there at the tail piece, and the head does come off. And that does have an O-ring right here as well. And there's the head and the battery. I guess it could slide out that way as well. Okay, I am on a dark trail. It's about 10 o'clock at night. There's some light pollution above, but this camera's not picking it up. This is not the best low light camera by any means. The light in person versus the light, how it shows on camera is totally different. It gives you a very, very rough idea on how this light works at night, but just to give you a rough idea. Okay, so this is low in group 1, which is actually pretty bright. Still pretty bright. Is not picking it up on camera, but it goes about 75 feet of viewing distance. So that's a group, or that's low on group 1. Okay, this is medium. This is really bright. This definitely goes at least 100 feet. This definitely throws some light. And that's probably why it has, the more hot spot light, is to throw it, really far, obviously. So let's go put it on group, or high setting on group 1 if we dare. Oh, that's strobe. I double tapped it by mistake. So this is high. Let me just double check if that's high. Well, high. Okay, we're in high. Just double checking. This is really bright. Definitely, it kind of lights the surrounding area. Tapers out on the side brighter than it looks on camera. It really brightens up everything. I could see all the way up, which is, I don't know, 150 feet.
Outstanding.
It's really bright. This is really nice. This really throws some light.
Well done.